Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here I want to estimate the correlation between variables, but first I want to do a normality test. First, open the SPSS and then go to the variable view and then put the name of the variables. First, I want to type writing and the second is speaking. I change the decimals to 0 and then fill the label with the same name of the variables. And then go to the data. I copy paste the first data of the first variable. Sorry, my PC is a little bit late. Okay, so I do the same with the second variable. Then I go to the analyze descriptive statistic and then explore, and will appear dialog box. I move to dependent list and then click plots and then checklist the histogram and normality plots with test, and then I click continue and click OK, and will appear the result. I pause the video because the result is appear slowly. And then here the results. We can see that because of the amount of the data is less than 50, we look at the Shapiro-Wilk instead of Kolmogorov-Smirnov, and we can see that the significant value is 0.010 and 0.001. It means that it is less than 0.05. So it is not normal. Therefore, I will estimate the correlation between both variables using Spearman product moments. Okay, so go to the data view, click analyze, and then correlate, bivariate, and then move both variables to variables box, and then click Spearman, and then click OK. Here's the result of the correlation. Okay, so to interpret the result or the output, we look for three things. First, to see the significance of correlation between both variables based on the output. It's shown that the significant or sig is about 0.015. Because 0.015 is less than 0.05, it means that there is a significant correlation between writing and speaking or both variables. Second, we look for correlation coefficient. Based on the output shown that the number of the score of correlation coefficient is minus 0.357, it means that the correlation coefficient is enough because it is between 0.25 until 0.50. Last, we look at the direction of the correlation. The direction of the correlation is seen in the result of correlation coefficient. Because the result is minus, it means that the correlation of both variable is not in the same direction. Okay, sorry for any mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.